Hi, my name is Sachin Shivnath Puranla. I have completed this project on warehouse management system. My student ID is 30381474. The project details are project title warehouse management system. The organization is Clifford Healthcare. Client name is Nishad Ali. Our warehouse manager. This is a project start date and also the end date, which is prescribed over there. Our team members are Komalpreet Kaur, Sachin Shivnath Puranla, Savita and Kapil Sharma. Our team leader is Komalpreet Kaur. She's a project manager. And myself, Sachin Shivnath Puranla, as a database manager, administrator. And Savita is quality assurance and software testing. And Kapil Sharma is front-end designer. Our project stakeholders, the main stakeholders are the project client, Nishad Ali, Rachid Hamadi, project supervisor, Rashikar Natarajan, our project tutor, and our project lecturer is Bilal Chowdhury. The internal stakeholders are Komalpreet Kaur, Savita, Sachin Shivnath Puranla, Kapil Sharma. External stakeholders are Federation University, MID, the system customer. Our project overview is basically the web-based application that is designed for our client have a large warehouse in which there are multiple products. The system basically has a dashboard where our client can see the progress and work related to his warehouse. It is a management system in which our client, which he will manage every detail of the products in the warehouse management, and also from the maintenance of the products and traceability of the product. Each and everything will be done with the help of the system. Our time allocation for the project is to be seen. We have worked for 537 hours for the entire project, coming by lectures, workshops, meetings with clients and supervisor, the assessment tasks, the sprints, the literature review and preparation and presentation of the project, writing the final project report. This is a Gantt chart which we have done from the project initiation to project closeout, which involves the project planning, execution and the sprints involved in it. A major contributions of the project are to be seen: the database design and accessibility, performance and capacity issues, working on the sprints, user story defining and the ERD model, and the development of the activity diagram and the sequence diagram and DFD diagrams. The other contributions which involves storyboard, roadmap, the product roadmap, and also the sprints, which involves the login, administrator, add, delete product module and search module, billing module. The other contributions for this are product demonstration contribution and the promo video which we have prepared, and the presentation slides, the poster, and at last the project write-up. What I've learned from this project for the new coming students, which I can say is we have learned different tools and technologies, and also building the database and maintaining the records of the stock intake and outgone. And I've also learned to create the different type of diagrams and the ERD modules, and also which we have also worked on the crude operations. Our team members have given me good communication and coordination, and also we have managed the time well, and also we have learned to each and every requirement of the user is fulfilled in order to make the acceptance and success greater. Improvements in the project which we can see here, like practical field experience would be so great, and the interactions and demonstrations live would be so better. Further, for the students who are coming now can also have the live experience demonstrations and project explanations. Engagement with the client was basically in a management system which is developed to manage the warehouse. Our client is running a company named CS2, That is, the company basically sell different product to different parts of the country. So for the purpose, they have a big warehouse where they stock each and every product they sell. The problem is to manage the warehouse properly, and for this purpose, the client approached us. The project basically is a management system which will help our client to manage each and every detail of the products in the warehouse, from the maintenance of the products, the traceability of the product, each and everything will be done and with the help of the system. The project's requirements include a web application that can be easily used, aims to develop an application that will solve the issues faced by our client in managing and dealing with his warehouse, the vendors and his employees. Project aim to perform in order to generate the results according to the desire of our client. A Federation University attributes are in which being a part of this project made me learn very new skills and knowledge, and good improvements have been developed in interacting with groups. Being a student of enterprise systems and business analytics made me gain very good knowledge and made me learn how to deal with the projects. Every team member is assigned with individual tasks in the project. I really thank my tutor, lecturer, supervisor, a client and team members who have supported and encouraged me in the project to learn and perform business processes by using new tools and technologies. Our federation management is very good, and also for the coming students we can see very good facilities in our college. Thank you.